know, but still being a new teachers, you don't know maybe what are the things can be handled as a anybody can tell what TLM you have used for. Mega high signals, mega TLM. What? All these things you have. If you are handling yourself, that is called teaching aid. The teacher is handling a clock or a model, that is called teaching aid. But when all the children are using something, that is called TLM. What's the difference between teaching aid and TLM? Teaching aid will be used only by the teacher. But TLM can be used both by the teacher and the student. So all the children individually they should handle. Any other TLM? Currently she will now okay. Flashcards of what? Flashcards of what? All model group, you know, just make open-ended means what they nobody will make the same model. Your model will be different, your model will be different, your model will be different. So they will be compared. Which one is I have made a house, I have made a natural phenomenon, I have made a big building, another one made a small house. So this and that is called open-ended. All we will be making the same. Then how many more? How many more is automatically one is taken place there? They are subtraction taken. Since you are finding the number, oh you have got that way, so I have got that way, so I have got extra way, so I have got like that. Chinese data, you have got then over the projector, we have seen or not before the TLM comes, the over every resource will have an overhead projector. When they join in the beginning, another one. Children will write in a transparent sheet, they will keep, they can see that. Whatever they are scribbling, they will come and keep, they will see that. Next time you will see. This is the that is also one that. Then the next. And now again, sophisticated materials. Record of short topics and interesting topics. Poem. Now it is very famous, experiential learning. I am telling just to speak from your home and center video or record something from your home and center video. When a particular child is saying what is happening, all these are people in the group of videos. These are all our experiences. So all are sending their video. Now we can correct the mistake. What your pronunciation is wrong, this is correct, this. So I am giving the recording videos a lot for many classes. Because it is one of the experiential learning. Parents are involved, they are teaching them, just you have to do the topic. All the in 10 days, this is all the 30 self-introduction videos. So by that time, okay, you add, don't say KD in a bucket, say add, TLC KD in a bucket. Don't tell all the names, avoid the consent from the both sides. They are sending from both sides to add some more points. So in that way, we also can correct the mistake, and by seeing the best child videos, some parents are also training, even though the last one, the child from the class or the people are they will be educated. They are also observing all the videos and want to find at least the last point in the class also in the video. So that is also recorded videos are also there. Then it is very example for according to the need, ability and standard. So kind of I have brought only a sample to show you. Okay, they are bought from the TLM budget. Again, to shape the shapes. Just it won't be damaged. Children they can learn and go. Okay, for India, what shape it is, what shape it is. Every activity is there. The box is meant for classroom India Pradesh I have made. So for if you are taking third standard, for all the 4 subjects, for first 2 months, what are the things to be kept? All the 4 teachers should plan, and you should keep the TLM ready. When the principal is coming for observation, that time you will be roaming to running and to resource room. Whether it is there or not, this or that. No, it is well planned and kept here. Okay, this lesson, this is kept in the balcony. This is that my classroom we can take it. That is the purpose of the geology class. The golden days we played. Now newly once again it is all coming further. We can read so many things. We can read okay, so many concepts can be found. Again, this one, color, size. I think all the sports we have. Okay, which is biggest in size, which is smallest in size, which color is the color can be taught, size can be taught, arrange according to the size. Okay, because this is again part of the body, puzzle, class 1 in English. These children will love this. Okay, so not only one, so many, at least 5, 6 boards must be there. So that each group will be playing with one ball. And this also they love. Okay, each child love. Again about this coloring, or having. Again, see I have brought everything to show you. Keeping the shape. Again, we are teaching them in Vidya Pravesh. How many of you are handling class 1? Have you all used this? What you are doing for this month? What are the activities you have done so far? You ask them to draw. What you